Here, y'all go first. We'll be 3 seconds behind you.
Scare them, guys. Scare them.
Are y'all ready? Yeah! I don't think so. Are y'all ready? Yeah! I'll put the ball down.
They start in lane. Come on. Start on the beat.
Go, go, go. Come on, come on, come on. Got him. Move up, guys, come on.
Move up, move up, move up.
Blue. Good throw.
I got a guy here about a throw foot to play. Where's the flag? Where's the flag?
Right here. Good, good, good. Oh, it's still right. There we go. You got it. Hold. With you, with you, with you. Crossing. I'm in the building on the right side of Sim. Enemy tank! Rex! Enemy tank! Enemy tank! Right side of Rex! That's a hit!
Which one? Which tank?
Spetsnaz tank.
That's it, right? Take that tank, boys! Take the tank!
Go, on you.
Move up!
We got blue all the way down the left side. I'm on my last mag. You want to cover? I'll go. I'll run it. I'm on my last mag anyway.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Go, go, go.
Run, Hawaiian! Yeah, he got him. He got the other tank. That was beautiful. Oh, they're going.
Get up there. Go, get Arson.
Reloading. Nah, there's a tank moving down this road right here. I think we're surrounded and they're just cutting us off. Hit. Found a little battle buddy. He didn't like being my battle buddy.
No.
Take me and my rifle.
Where are we at right now?
Holiday.
Romeo, there's an enemy tank here. Romeo.
Holiday.
Or holiday. I wonder what their plan is.
Throw bodies at the objective.
Single file. Pulling the fire off of God.
Single file. Single file. Yeah, he just came over calm saying that he's looking at Hamburger and he says he thinks there's a firefight.
At Hamburger?
Yeah. It's just right up here.
We got enough guys over at Rex. They should be fine.
Yeah.
They nuke it and it's still blue.
Yeah. Sadly, it doesn't count for points if it's nuked. But yeah, they probably had to nuke it because we were holding it.
Yeah, I do feel a lot weaker. I feel a little warm right here.
Oh!
Right?
My head!
We're gonna push that big guy.
He is quivering in his boots right now. He is shaking.
I didn't do that.
Who was that? Or,
That was me.
that was?
The guy ran straight in front of me right when I went to pull the trigger. And it slapped him right beside the head.
You went, oop.
But I had, and gotta be honest with you, he felt like a champ.
Yeah. Hey, look at that guy all the way out there. Yeah, whenever it comes up, I'm going to just lay down in this trench and hope and pray.
Wait, are they enemies?
I have no clue.
Alright, I'm shooting them. They're f***ing red.
Then they're not friendly.
I don't like red.
Whoa! That's the tank. The tank don't like you.